does. So it's a motorbike then. It's a little Twingo with a big exhaust on it. Where's the motorbike? Oh no, it's that. Holy mackerel. Oh my god. The noise in that thing. Oh, nice. Jeez. I'm a little bit out of sorts. What car come in, by the way? Pandy Road. And it's all the place. No. Go on. Crazy sheeps. Crazy sheep. Crazy sheep. This is probably the best point when you come over the brow of this hill and you see all of this view. It's fantastic. There's a guy in a bike coming as well. Oh, it's a heron. A Bernard, a heron. It is fantastic, this place. See all sorts of stuff. I don't know if he's going to catch any fish in that little mud pond though. He's probably just wetting his feet, right? These little swifts and swallows come all the way from Africa. They migrate to Africa and then they come back and chill out in these fields. It's a long way to fly, mind, from here over to there. So makes you think, doesn't it? Like such a small body and loads of energy. Oh, that cloud. Oh my. Is it meant to be raining in Amman? Oh Jesus, look at that. Oh god, that's bad weather. They said grey cloud, but not like rain. Yeah, it's gonna rain. It's gonna rain. Oh yeah, look at that trike. Old school trike. Looks like it's got a car engine in it. Brilliant. I like the sound of Paul's bike. It's a nice 4-cylinder sound on it. The old school 90s like bike sounds. Yeah, so you know it means business. Like, it's got a note to it. Yeah. Scooter crew. He did nod. You gotta give it to him. It's 2 wheels at the end of the day now. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Watch out for this rebel. Red-faced man, angry man. Oh, it's a woman. Oh my god. Okay. She's proper. Sir, you're really angry. Oh, sorry, sir. I mean, man. Man. That house over there is like cracking house. Won a lottery. I know, because they like walking across the middle of the road. Hey. Paul's bike sounds like an angry hornet. You good? You got what?
My
Hand.
Oh, I know. Except there's one of ours, okay. I've done probably done almost 200 miles in a week.
It's nest. As you can see, there's loads and loads of bikes here. Yamahas. Oh, look at that sports bike. CBRs. There's such a mixture of bikes. It's a great place to come to. You've got good food at a reasonable price. So in Llandeilo, there's a good scene up here. Lots of friendly people. Nice places to eat. Good places to sit. There's toilets. It's got the whole lot actually. It's really, really nice. Oh, look at this monkey. There's such a nice colour scheme on that. The seat is fantastic. A couple of high boosters. What else we got? Oh, there's an SV sitting in the background there. Oh, it's a BMW. Look at the screen on this thing. Whew, that is nice. That's a nice bike, for sure. Such a selection. And this thing, what? Wow. I bet that's fun to ride. With a trailer as well. I don't think I've ever seen one with a trailer. A couple of Diablos. These bikes are really nice. Such a nice bike, it's getting a lot of attention. So. A couple of more bikes done yet. Cool. Get the llamas. Get the llamas. The llamas! We'll have to call there one day. Ah, they do. It's a cafe as well. Just want to see the llamas. It's a really nice road, this. Doesn't seem to be any bumps, like bad concrete bumps in it or nothing. It's just it's well kept, and there's no kind of like average speed cameras or any rubbish like that. Don't mind checking out those gold mines up there. This is dangerous. On the corner, like this. Car. That was. See, that's potential danger there. Hazards of riding on the road. Sleeping on the job. Yep. I feel a little bit on the edge a bit of putting it.
Somebody's got a croc over there, look.
Oh, there it is. Why is there always one shoe when you come out for a ride and you always find one? Hello, is this your shoe? Is this your croc? Meh. So this is Betws Mountain. As you can see around us is a great view. It's one of the best views around. It's such a nice ride over these mountains. Although you got to watch out for these little fellas. They like to jump out in front of you when you're riding. Riding doesn't come without its dangers, unfortunately. So everyone rides safe. He knows, is that the way to go there? Alright. I don't think that's the way. You get a call from him. He'll have fun. You'll get a call from him later now like, oh god, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Yeah, help. He's coming back. So watch out for this corner. Oh yes, car in the middle of the road.